Welcome back to Punjabi Family Kitchen. Today I'm sharing a simple and tasty home-style Matar Paneer recipe. This recipe features soft paneer, sweet green peas, and a rich masala gravy. Let me show you how I cook it. First, we begin with preparing the star of our dish, the paneer. First, I cut the paneer into small, even cubes. Precision helps them cook evenly. I always put the cubes in hot water for a few minutes. This ensures the paneer becomes soft and perfect for the curry. Next up, we start building the flavor base by tempering our whole spices. I put my kadhai on the stove, added a little oil, and when hot, I added all the kadhai masala like bay leaf, cumin seeds, black pepper, and cloves. This gives a beautiful aroma. Now it's time to start preparing the rich base of our Matar Paneer gravy. Next, I added chopped onions and cooked them until light golden. Then I added crushed ginger and garlic. Once this mixture roasted nicely and the raw smell was gone, it was time for the dry masalas. Let's incorporate the vibrant flavors of the dry masalas and fenugreek leaves. I had all my dry masalas ready: haldi, red chili, coriander powder, garam masala, and I also added dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. I mixed everything well. To stop the masala from sticking to the kadhai, I added a little water. This is a crucial step to help the masala cook properly and create a smooth gravy. We'll now enhance the richness of the gravy by adding tomatoes and cream. Then I added chopped tomatoes and cooked them until they were nice and soft. After that, I added a little milk cream to make the gravy even richer and tastier. Almost done. Time to bring in the main ingredients and let the curry simmer to perfection. Now it's time to add the stars of the dish: the soft paneer cubes and sweet green matar or peas. I mixed everything gently to combine the flavor. I poured some hot water to adjust the gravy thickness, then covered the kadhai with a lid and let it cook for a few minutes. And look at this! My Matar Paneer is ready. The color, the aroma, the gravy, everything looks so nice. This dish is perfect to enjoy with roti, chapati, or rice. A simple, satisfying, and traditional Punjabi meal. Thank you for watching. If you like simple Punjabi home-style cooking, please like, share, and subscribe to Punjabi Family Kitchen. See you in the next recipe.